lovelies, happy Mother's Day. Hope everyone is doing wonderful. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to vlog my Mother's Day activities, and today hopefully I'm not going to do any mom duties. I'm taking the day for myself. Well, my daughter made an appointment for me to get a full body massage, and my baby made reservation for me for breakfast, so I'm going for breakfast first, then I'm going to get my full body massage, then I'm going down to South Beach, Miami. Make some noise. Yes guys, I'm going down to South Beach, Miami. I'm gonna find something fun, relaxing, something to do today. So continue watching and let's do this vlog. So this is the outfit that I'm wearing for breakfast. It's just a little flowy dress, and might come back home and put on something else for the massage, or maybe I just go like this, but definitely I have to come back home and get ready for South Beach. This is my flowers, my Mother's Day flowers. So this is where I'm having breakfast. It's kind of on the pier. It's my second time here, and their breakfasts are really good. So let's go inside and check out the menu. Right guys, so that's it for the breakfast venue. I'm now going to the massage parlor, and breakfast was very good. I'm at massage envy now guys. It's my first time here, so I'm going in now to see what it is like. Massage envy. Enjoy yourself. Okay. Shoulders, neck, back. Alright guys, so got my massage and now I am back home and I am ready to go to South Beach, Miami. The sun is really hot, so I had to wear some long sleeve, and of course I'm gonna bring my straw hat. So guys, I will see you down in Miami. So can you follow the GPS?
Names of close, one a boardwalk, one a boulevard, I don't know boulevard.
Oh Lord.
In half a mile, keep left to stay on I-195 East.
Oh my God, God working mysterious ways. Alright guys, so now I'm down in Miami walking. Because, you know, yesterday all day we're walking the streets of Miami. Just walking and enjoying myself. Stress-free day.
Quiero darte solo parte de mi sangre. Te quiero dueño de mi tiempo y de mi espacio. Deseas mi universo. No quiero hacer mi voluntad, quiero agradarte. que seas el
Lama.
primero en la mañana y la luz en mi ventana.
Guys, South Beach is so noisy. I could not even get to talk to y'all. But I am leaving now and I had fun. And I'm so full. I had a lot of mojito, as you can see. And I also did the Spanish dance. But yeah guys, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all on my next video.